Understanding skinny fat, what it is and how to fix it. By the end of the video, we'll know about the concept of skinny fat, what it means, and how to address it effectively. Skinny fat is a term that describes a body composition where an individual appears to be thin, but has a higher percentage of body fat and low muscle mass. This condition is more common than one might think and can have significant implications for overall health and fitness. What is skinny fat? Being skinny fat is not just about aesthetics. People with this body type that fit into smaller clothing sizes, but they may still face health issues, typically associated with higher body fat percentages. These issues include increased risk of metabolic syndrome, cardiovascular diseases, and type 2 diabetes. Visually, a skinny fat person might have a soft or flabby appearance despite a low body weight. Causes of skinny fat. 1. Poor diet. Consuming a diet high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats can lead to fat accumulation without promoting muscle growth. 2. Lack of exercise. Particularly strength training. Cardio alone is not sufficient to build and maintain muscle mass. 3. Sedentary lifestyle. Spending long periods inactive can result in muscle atrophy and fat accumulation. 4. Genetics. Some people are predisposed to store fat differently, affecting their overall body composition. How to fix skinny fat. Number 1. Improve your diet. Focus on a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Prioritize protein intake to support muscle growth. Include healthy fats, and ensure you are getting enough complex carbohydrates for energy. Number 2. Incorporate strength training. Strength training is crucial. Aim for a mix of compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses that target multiple muscle groups. Number 3. Cardio in moderation. Cardio is important for cardiovascular health, but it should not be the only form of exercise. Balance it with strength training to avoid muscle loss. Number 4. Consistency is key. Consistency in both diet and exercise is essential. Regularly challenge your muscles and stick to a nutritious diet to see long-term results. Sample workout plan. Day 1. Upper body strength. Bench press, rows, shoulder press, bicep curls, tricep extensions. Day 2. Lower body strength. Squats, deadlifts, lunges, leg press, calf raises. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. Addressing the skinny fat condition involves a holistic approach that combines a healthy diet, strength training, and lifestyle adjustments. By understanding the underlying causes and implementing these strategies, you can transform your body composition and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving and maintaining your fitness goals.